I'm going to cook Bhunna Qeema. So Qeema is a ground meat, and here is the ingredient I'm going to add it. This is a cilantro, hara dhania, chopped onion, pyaz. This is tomato paste. This is a little bit more than 1 spoon. So here is the ginger. I'm adding a lot of ginger, and this is garlic here, and this is ground meat here, keema. So I'm going to add keema now. It was a little bit frozen because of I took out from the refrigerator. So this is another ingredient I'm going to add. Very easy to cook. This is turmeric powder, haldi, cardamom, green cardamom, ilachi, 1 cinnamon stick, a dalchini, and a garam masala. Garam masala is a garam masala. So this is salt, namak, and red chili, less than half a teaspoon actually. I'm going to add it here all, and this all ingredient will go inside, and one actually cup of water. It will be full flame, but once it start cooking, then I'm going to bring it to like a medium, less than medium actually, to let it cook like 30 to 35 minutes, and then I will just that will be done. If I need to add a little bit more water, I will add it later. If not, then 1 cup should be fine. So this is a Bhunna Qeema, which is a beef ground meat. So it cooks very fast. It does not take too long, and very simple ingredient I added in there for cooking purpose. So I may make short video later.